Oh, hello guys, good evening. Dito kami guys sa McDonald's. My friend's birthday treat. Okay? Anak muna sa downtown. Kain-kain tayo guys. Ito yung mga biya. Kaya. Let's try ah. Let's talk yeah. Your mom SMS you?
I think we are going tomorrow morning. We will leave tomorrow morning. Because the person who picked up in school asked me if it is going to school or not. I didn't hear this is not going. No, it's not going. They will tell me first. No, she will go to school.
This one category, all the iPhone, they if what already changed the phone, they give to the good laptop also they give.
Yes. So give me one. Then ask me. I will you. I have no time. You know, I will only going to sleep. No, what's with the laptop is a good one. You know, when we watch with the phone, if no hours, I will turn off and then it's okay. We can go sleep. Laptop you have to waiting until it's the tech of the turn off and then when that is still and then you have to close.
That you use also lah.
Yeah, use, but I say we only have like 1 hour at night now. Why do you put the laptop on?
Yeah. Then
Even when I check day off, okay lah.
laptop also, when you must use because if no, become black.
They give me the laptop
That's why they are my one and another.
because not Margaret always use laptop. She prefer laptop.
Ma'am, Kati computer, right?
Computer.
Well, just now you cannot order yours in the phone na.
I can phone lah, but I want to ask this one. I have to go out.
Sometimes also you come here and eat. Sometimes you come here also and eat.
But usually, if they put class like only make they sometimes they only eat potato. I cannot eat.
Yeah.
I'm not full lah.
Cannot. Me also cannot.
That's
I
why
must
usually-
eat rice once a day.
That's why in the for lunch you have to have rice or noodles. Otherwise, I will very hungry.
Yeah. Eat. When you order big one. Yeah, sometimes me also I'm craving of McDonald's because of the price only.
They only ask, does he want one? Does he do you want some bread? And I said yes. She asked, don't ask, I don't ask. But for rice,
Ma'am
no.
Margaret birthday is June also, right?
No, already passed away.
Yeah.
I'm right.
Or Ma'am Kati, I think June also, no?
July is quicker. Jadi end of the year, I don't know. October or November, I forget.
Last year they celebrated his birthday at full.
Because sometimes getting some snack from school, right? Then they will order the cake so dogs can eat. It's barking a lot because we do the painting outside now.
Very bulky.
Actually today when somebody is on the balcony and painting, Mama.
Kati kan Margaret cannot sleep eh. Night time but still allowed.
Even they have a new burger place, McDonald's always go.
Yeah.
They open until 3 a.m.
Because this one is cheap man. They
Yeah, but the one you can always
the price the length of the that's why people especially student mm.
I like this one, but I cannot eat too much.
I do like chicken nugget also. Chicken only one.
Tasty, yeah.
This one also chicken.
I don't like chicken in chicken nugget.
Then afternoon you eat what just now?
Yeah.
Um,
And the leftover from last night.
then then it is true that you and mom got to cook and mama Margaret the chicken they never wash.
But
They never wash the meat.
the worst, but
Like
never.
yeah.
No CCTV, no everything.
That's why I keep going. That's what. Then
But if
then bago sa tabi mo ka na, they will like. They will angry if you want.
no, but me always get what?
Di ka na. Because they don't allow.
Oh,
They just open the plastic and cook. Never rinse also. Your Kati and mom, your mom Margaret, they never wash the meat. They cook.
the meat.
Like chicken, they just immediately cook. They never wash the water or what.
What's the meat?
You wash or not? Yeah, mom Kati, they never wash.
Only tak and clean. But ito lang.
Then how about all the shampoo, shower bath, you buy yourself? Or you buy also when you go? You buy also
I still use Bambi cover, I think. There are some shampoo and body wash. I still use that one. And sometimes Kathy give me,
No. Mom, Kati and Margaret, the body wash and shampoo, you buy for them also?
no,
When you go grocery, no? They buy themselves.
they buy them.
Ah. But your things, they buy for you lah. This lah, mine I buy myself. My mom and sister they never buy. Yeah. I think chili sauce.
As long as something I can buy, I can buy myself.
My husband never I buy for me. Hello guys, midnight snack na to guys. May chili When you SMS me, I never eat my dinner, no?
Because I usually eat like this morning I eat at 11, and then I eat at 6. So I'm okay lah.
Then if you eat 6, you're hungry already. Huh? If you eat 6 o'clock, you are hungry already. Everybody eating burger. They tell me,
One time I'm traveling, I'm going like at 9, almost 10 na.
Here,
10 na yan. I want to buy the takeaway and then I just get it and go home.
10 o'clock in the morning.
No, at night.
Wala. But so far, it's near La Sister. If you use it, it's very near only. Very.
Yeah. But one time when I want to order this close time.
Huh?
Yeah.
Ayun. Then you buy what?
No. I don't buy anything. You know when you order the app, you know it will be open or not.
This one also, how about KFC has?
Yeah.
The burger also and French fries.
But I will check my time.
This one sometimes when I go up there, I bring rice. I order the KFC got chicken rice. Then I eat here with rice. Sometimes I sit down in the park. That's all. Mother's Day, I off day alone.
Mm. The last of the and the last Sunday. Didn't going much. Going out, what in the friend house, going to their friend house, And then they asked me, "Do you want to go out?" No, I want to stay at home. Because at home, I can turn on the aircon, I can go sing,
Yeah,
I can
correct.
sleep,
Correct. Then sister, night time, you on the aircon. Until morning.
Yeah.
Well, good.
But usually I only turn on at night.
Because if too cold also,
Yeah, I cannot turn on
Yeah.
the aircon.
they're good. That's why, yeah, they are not too perfect, but their situation that's,
On the day, I use only the fan.
yeah.
And sometimes I cannot stand the cold.
Their burger here is quite nice. Okay, fine. Your nugget. No, thank you, sister. I'm very full. Ah.
It's good, pa. Well, and you can go home now.
So far, gusto guys. Order ng kaibigan ko large. This one my Indonesian friend. Guys, that's all. Thank you for watching. Love you all guys.